Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Ogre Fab Works, where we talk about cool welding projects and tools. Today I wanted to talk about one of the most useful homemade welding tools that I've built for myself, and just wanted to share it with everyone, see if anybody else could get some value out of it. But it's these sawhorses, mobile sawhorses that collapse, and I've found that they are incredibly useful to have. While I love using these Sumner jack stands, and they definitely have their place, these sawhorses are workhorses. And they're pretty straightforward to make and very portable, especially the way that I have them built. So these are essentially made out of 3/8 plate. Looking back, if I had to make them again, I would probably do 1/4 inch plate, because I think 3/8 is a bit overkill and a little bit too heavy. But for what they do, they're fine. Now, I just had access to plate, but I have seen other guys build these out of I-beam, essentially just cutting off the bottom lip there. So pre-built and much faster to do. But all you need is just some plate, a welder and a way to cut them. And you just get a couple plates here, wedge them up, and I use a little bit of a shim, so like a beer can that's cut up, or a pop can, whatever you want, just to make sure it's a tight fit but not too tight. And wedge it in there with a piece of steel, weld on some of these legs, cut them at whatever angle that you want. I can't recall exactly what degree angle that is. It looks somewhat like a 45-degree angle. But they're very heavy duty. You can put a crap ton of weight on there, and they're not gonna fall apart on you like some of the cheap ones you'd buy at Harbor Freight or hardware store or something like that. I've had quite a bit of weight. Those beams, I actually cut and formed those on here, which you're talking probably thousands of pounds. I think that's what, 3/4 inch plate, something like that. All those beams. So quite a bit of weight on here. I've had buckets and what have you. But they just lift right out. Let's say you had to go on a service call or something. Yes, it would lift right up. So you could take the top off, grab the legs, throw it in your truck and go, and off to the job site you go. And plop whatever you want there on top. But anyway, I've really found them to be incredibly useful, and just wanted to share essentially the design, how I had them built, how they work, and I think other folks out there could find a lot of use in them. This isn't my idea. I actually borrowed this from Johnson Trades, and he really talked about how great they were, and I think he's right. They're awesome. So just wanted to share that. Hopefully somebody out there finds some value in it. Stay tuned for the next one.